Be a mentor. Take the higher road. Be a mentor to someone. Be the person another person can look up to. It is easy to condemn people for their weaknesses. Anyone can point out faults. But a true mentor, a mature mentor, behaves differently. They choose the higher road. A powerful biblical example is Barnabas. When everyone rejected Saul because of his past, Barnabas stood up for him. In Acts 9:27 it says, "But Barnabas took him and brought him to the apostles." Others saw Saul's history. Barnabas saw his potential. Later, when John Mark failed and deserted the mission, Paul was unwilling to give him another chance. But Barnabas believed in restoration. Barnabas wanted to take John, also called Mark. Acts chapter 15, verse 37. Barnabas didn't cancel people for their weaknesses. He cultivated them through their weaknesses. That is mentorship. A true mentor does not shame. A true mentor does not crush. A true mentor covers, corrects, encourages, and guides. Mentors don't walk the lower road of criticism. They walk the higher road of grace. If God has placed someone under your influence, choose to lift them, not label them, correct in love, guide with patience, believe when others doubt. This is maturity, this is leadership, this is Christ-like mentorship.